What would happen if an object with the mass of the sun, but only the size of a city, crashed into Earth at half the speed of light? First, what even is a neutron star? When massive stars die, they can collapse into these incredibly dense objects where a teaspoon would weigh billions of tons. The Crab pulsar, for example, packs 1.4 times our sun's mass into a sphere just 20 kilometers across. If we somehow detected one heading our way, we'd have almost no warning. At half-light speed, we might get just hours or minutes notice before impact. Long before the neutron star arrived, its gravitational field would begin tearing Earth apart. Our planet would experience catastrophic tidal forces, stretching and compressing until the entire crust fractured. The oceans would boil away as Earth's rotation accelerated dramatically. Mountains would collapse as gravity itself became chaotic around us. But here's where it gets even more extreme. Universe sandbox simulations show something unbelievable. The immense gravitational compression from a neutron star like the Crab pulsar could actually trigger Earth to collapse into a black hole. In this catastrophic transformation, our planet wouldn't just be destroyed, it would become a gravitational monster itself, causing nearby planets and even stars to either orbit our former Earth or be consumed entirely. The collision would release more energy than our sun produces in 1,000,000 years, transforming our home into one of the most destructive objects in the universe. What other cosmic disasters do you think could transform rather than just destroy our planet? Let me know below.